beans. I'm Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws. Today we're going to teach you how to draw a birthday cake. My birthday cake in Spanish is torta. I'm drawing this, our birthday cake. Okay. And I'm going to make like this and like this. Going to do here. Now let's do the creamy part. Now starts around here and go like over here and go here. We finished that part. I'm making the top one right here and right here. The creamy part, the wiggly lines. This. Let's draw a neckline. Let's draw this. Very nice cake. You can sing happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Broccoli, happy birthday to you. Blow the candles. Okay, finish my birthday cake part. Let's draw the plates. I finished the plate. I'm drawing candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's draw some more wig part lines. We finish our cakes. Let's color rainbow. For the cream, I used blue. Now, okay, I'm using pink for the bottom. Red, pink, orange, purple, and pink. The rainbow cake. Orange. Purple. And orange. We finished with the top one. And then with the bottom. Pink. Oh no, red. Red, orange. Now I'm using blue and yellow. Mixing to the green. He's a beautiful green. It's green. We need red and blue. We need to make purple. Okay. Red. Using red. And blue. It's a beautiful purple. It's a purple. Now we're going with orange. We need yellow and red. Let's put some yellow first. Orange, yellow, green. It's orange. And yellow. The beautiful orange. It's orange. Let's color canvas this with orange. The candles, I'm using yellow. Now gray for the plate. Okay, and now I'm using red, brown. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.